everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna do some stuff. You can see right there on the TV, Corey is here and he's about to pull in, but Corey did a thing to his car. We're about to see what that thing is. All right, guys, so we haven't seen Corey since what, NMRA? It's been a minute since we had the car on the channel. That's right, that's right. Well, you didn't have the car, though. No. You didn't have the car. So we have not seen the car since NMRA Kentucky. Dude, where did you get these?
NMRA?
I need some of these.
Oh, look at here. Yeah, look at 5.0 badges on the front, too. I put on there.
Oh, you put the new? Okay. Yeah. So we got 5.0 badges. All right, guys, so here's what happened. And it's bad. The hood flew up. Okay, wait a minute. That's not exactly why the car is here, but yeah, he did have a little mishap. But it's good, right?
It's good. It's good. We're gonna fix it.
It's good. He's got another windshield, guys. I'm telling you, with your cow hoods, be careful, because
make sure you pin them.
Yes, I mean it happens daily. You see it daily. You know, it's part of it. But it should be back right. Hood did fly up, but it'll be all right. The real.
When you're racing, though.
No, and actually. All Corey's got to say is the damn car is so fast the freaking hood blew off. You know? But yes, actually, why the car's here today, we're going to be having a little fun right under this hood right here. Or actually, not under the hood. All right, boys, so we're about to put it on the lift and check the exhaust here. Got a little noise in the exhaust. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is why we're doing this today. Yes, boys and girls, it's gonna be fun. Corey, how's the Coyote like the nitrous?
Oh, it loves it. It went rounds because of Dover.
Right. Dover, you built another good car, dude. That's just what he does, right? He's just like,
race car.
He's just like, yeah, whatever. But yeah, so, and we're not gonna talk times, we're not gonna talk power or anything like that, but it rolls. Oh yeah. It rolls, and you're about to see that here shortly.
You got second place, huh?
Yeah, yeah. I only had to spray it once. Yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
All right, boys. We're doing some checks up under here and getting everything kind of squared away. But we are going to try out
BFH.
Some of the, yeah, okay, hit it. Boom.
I think it went.
That ain't moving.
It did too.
Did it?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Yeah, we going in.
So in an effort to quiet this thing down, we're gonna see if these Flowmaster 3-inch tails clear. Oh, Corey, look at this, dude. Yeah, that, I'm telling you, that's all the back of this car needs right here.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, sir. Gives you some big old Flowmaster get her done tailpipes on there. I just
Flowmasters.com.
Yeah, that's right. I just said get her done. Oh my God.
Those are beautiful.
Yes, sir. Look, dude, they say Flowmaster on the top. Yes.
Yeah, not just a imprint.
All right, let's see what let's see how these look here.
Big son of a bitch.
You probably had to assemble them out of the car.
That's one of the 2-piece, huh?
They're not cooks, but man, they're gonna look good.
Something down like that, good, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna have to come. You'd have to make a little extra pipe.
Shit, that'd be. No, that's just a straight piece almost.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. And
oh yeah.
Way down around the tank, huh?
Yeah, that's why.
You lost a tire clearance, huh? Most time they go right here.
Holy smokes.
Dude, you
right
need tails.
You need to get your tire right there usually.
All right, boys. We're fixing to do a couple nitrous hits. Should be a good time.
Damn moth.
Oh, yes. You got the button there. Love it. Are you on a watt switch or on a button? What was that? What was that? Let's do this. Alright, so we can't actually talk numbers what it's done at the track.
No.
And
Simply a grudge car.
Simply because grudge car. But it's extremely strong and it loves the gas. We're gonna get out here on this road in Mexico, which is gonna take us a little while to get to. But we're gonna let her eat and see just how well it loves it.
Ready?
Alright, let's do this.
Here we go.
Insane. Alright, I'm gonna try to hold it. You gotta save a little for Dover. Oh my God.
I think that bottle flat out.
I wish that you guys could feel this. I mean, it was, you could tell it was spinning the tires because it was getting a little squirrely, but it was pulling like, God.
I'm sure there's pretty good long black marks up there.
So apparently I need to order one of these kits too.
Oh, gosh.
God almighty. My car now, I'm never going to be able to drive my car again now. I felt this dude is like, oh, okay, well, this is a freaking snooze job right here. Woo! All right, guys, so yes, put your Coyote on nitrous because that's, God.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Gotta love the little green button, right?
Green button.
Yeah.
Doors all the way through.
That's where the America happens right there. God. Boys, we survived. God almighty, I can never drive my car again. I can't even drive my car anymore. I mean, it's like what's the point?
That bad?
Man, this thing, it is pure evil.
You want to run a verse 302?
This is a 302.
Hey,
Tell him, Brian, this is a 302. Exactly, yeah. We'll put another bottle in this thing. I think Dover needs a ride.
man, my stomach, I was like, oh.
You didn't poop your pants or anything, did you?
Pissed a little bit.
Oh, dude. Dover, you got a ride, dude. He's ready. All right, how bad did you scare him?
Bad.
Did he scream or anything?
No, but you could tell he went white.
White knuckle riding, boy. And you're just smiling ear to ear. Corey just having a ball, yeah. She is a beast, boys. Whew. Nice cold lines, yes.
That's crazy.
So, Colin,
Yeah.
how was your first in a car like that?
100 shot on Coyotes, crazy.
He said you lost a little bit of your color in your face.
Man, I'm on my stomach, man. I felt like I was going up in space. I was like, got the G's on there.
Oh, crazy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you got a Coyote, throw a little gas on it. They love them. All right, boys, so that is what is up. I hope you enjoyed the nitrous pulls. Absolutely. It was a lot of fun. But then again, this one's going to be fun too, just as soon as we can hit boost on Lee's 800 horsepower car. And then, of course, we've got to do a little more work and get finished on Jeremy's 800 horsepower car. If you did not catch the video of us putting the engine in this car, it's amazing, and you just want to touch it and feel it because it's amazing. But anyway, guys, that is what is going on. We have lots more coming. I've got to get busy on Project 4 to 8. Plenty of stuff to do on my coyote swap. We've got truck stuff. Yeah, it never ends, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't get to say this very often, but I appreciate everybody that supports the channel and you know, just kind of keeps me doing what I'm doing, because I love doing what I'm doing. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back, boys, because it never ends. Later.